Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be rearranging my bedroom. It's been rainy all week and I just can't take it anymore. I need change. So you're gonna see me and my sweet little daughter rearrange while my husband's gone to work.
I wonder what went wrong today, eh? Why do I feel like I linger between the words to say, eh? To say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. Lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the rhythm. Now we won't go back home today, eh? Until the very last hour. We still got a few more days to slay, eh? It's gonna get so much louder. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. Lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go.
I'm moving my dresser in from my beauty room into my master bedroom now. Now that my daughter took the bedroom with the bathroom attached, I've been getting at least showered in the master bathroom, and so it's just easier to have my dresser back in my bedroom.
I wonder what went wrong today, eh? Why do I feel like I linger between the words to say, eh? To say the words to remember.
Okay, and here's a final look at how it turned out. I'm really liking it. This is more how the bedroom was set up to be as far as like outlets and stuff goes, but I like to switch it around just because I like change. But I hope you guys like it, and if you did, please hit the like button down below, and please subscribe if you haven't, and also hit the link down below if you're not following me on Instagram, because I'm a little bit more social on there. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.